Mechanics will charge you a good amount of dollars to replace a turn signal bulb, but after watching this video, you can do the replacement yourself. We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and we'll take out this plastic cover, punch in the tool right here, and then pull out the cover. There's the cover taken out just like that. Behind the cover there are two screws. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket to take out those two screws. First screw is out. Second screw is also out. Now we'll grab the tail light like this and gently push it outwards. And there you see the tail light is popped out. This is how the tail light looks like from behind, and right here is the plug for turn signal. Grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. That is how we take out the plug. Now to take out the bulb, all we have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how the bulb is taken out. My bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. We'll just punch in the bulb in the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There's the bulb completely in. Now we'll punch it back where we took it out from. Just make sure the plug completely goes in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There's the plug completely in, also not coming out. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the tail light back. Behind the tail light, notice there's this pointer coming out right here. This pointer is supposed to go in this spot right here. And notice on the tail light there is one more position here. This is supposed to be slided in this clip right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those two positions. Just like that. Once it goes completely in, then we will just give it a push from the front. There it is, it sits in there properly. Now we'll go ahead and punch in these two screws. First, I will manually put both the screws one by one. And this time, I will tighten them with a ratchet wrench, an extension, and 10mm socket. I would avoid using the gun this time because sometimes tightening with the gun can end up breaking the tabs of the tail light, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Both of them are tight enough. We'll just make sure both the screws are tight one more time. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Notice from behind the cover there are some tabs coming out. There's one tab right here. This tab is supposed to go in that spot right there. And there's one more tab right here. This tab is supposed to go in that tiny spot underneath the screw right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the cover, keeping in mind those tabs. Then we'll press the cover all the way down until it goes completely in. There it is. With that, we are done with our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.